Did you know this seed is considered the most powerful of the world, because of all its health properties? Stay tuned to learn about the most powerful seed in the planet, how to use it and more. Hello dear friends and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that could significantly impact your health and well-being. We're going to explore the most powerful seed on the planet, and how they can help you overcome serious health issues. So, let's get started. What are flax seeds? Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, are tiny seeds derived from the flax plant, Linum usitatissimum. These seeds are rich in nutrients and have been cultivated for thousands of years for their health benefits. Flax seeds come in two varieties, brown and golden, both of which are equally nutritious. They are a powerhouse of essential fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a valuable addition to any food plan. Why consume ground flax? Whole flax seeds can be challenging for your body to digest. To unlock their full potential, it's essential to consume them ground. Ground flax seeds are more accessible to digest, allowing your body to absorb their nutrients effectively. This simple step ensures you receive the maximum health benefits these seeds offer. Why are ground flax seeds considered the most powerful seeds on the planet? Ground flax seeds are often hailed as the most powerful seeds on the planet due to their exceptional nutrient profile and wide-ranging health benefits. Here's why. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid, also known as ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that is crucial for heart health. High in fiber. They contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, promoting healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Packed with lignans. Flax seeds are the richest dietary source of lignans, compounds with antioxidant and estrogen properties that help reduce cancer risk. Protein powerhouse. They provide a good amount of plant-based protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. What are the benefits of ground flax? Ground flax seeds offer a multitude of health benefits, including heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids and fiber help reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and prevent heart disease. Digestive health. The fiber content promotes regularity and can help prevent constipation. Cancer prevention. Lignans have been shown to lower the risk of hormone-related cancers, such as breast and prostate cancer. Weight management. The high fiber content helps you feel full longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Blood sugar control. Flax seeds help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for people with diabetes. Anti-inflammatory. Omega-3s and antioxidants help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to many chronic diseases. What common health issues can be fixed with ground flax? Several common health issues can be addressed by incorporating ground flax seeds into your diet, including high cholesterol. The soluble fiber in flax seeds can help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Digestive issues. Constipation and irregular bowel movements can be alleviated by the fiber in flax seeds. Chronic inflammation. Inflammation, linked to diseases like arthritis, can be reduced by the anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s. Hormonal imbalances. Lignans help regulate hormones, which can benefit conditions like menopause and PMS. High blood pressure. Regular consumption of flax seeds has been shown to help lower blood pressure. How much to take in a day? The recommended daily intake of ground flax seeds varies, but generally, 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is sufficient to reap the health benefits. Start with a smaller amount and gradually increase to allow your body to adjust to the high fiber content. How to enhance ground flax benefits? To maximize the benefits of ground flax seeds, consider these tips. Consistency is key. Make flax seeds a regular part of your diet. Pair with liquids. Drink plenty of water to help the fiber work effectively. Combine with other superfoods. Mix flax seeds into smoothies, yogurt, or kefir to enhance nutrient absorption. Store properly. Keep ground flax seeds in an airtight container in the refrigerator to prevent oxidation and preserve their nutrients. What are the dangers of not consuming ground flax seeds? Neglecting to include ground flax seeds in your diet means missing out on their myriad health benefits. Without them, you may be more susceptible to high cholesterol, digestive issues, inflammation, and hormonal imbalances. Additionally, you might not achieve the optimal heart health or cancer prevention that flax seeds provide. can it help gut health and leaky gut? Yes, ground flax seeds are excellent for gut health. The fiber content supports healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Moreover, the mucilage gum in flax seeds, a gel-forming fiber, helps soothe and protect the gut lining of the digestive tract, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals with leaky gut syndrome. Also, the type of fiber in flax seeds helps to feed your friendly gut bacteria, helping them to thrive as they help you to improve your overall health. What are the side effects of ground flax? While ground flax seeds are generally safe for most people, consuming them in large amounts can cause digestive discomfort, such as bloating and gas, due to their high fiber content. It's essential to introduce flax seeds gradually and ensure adequate water intake. Additionally, individuals with certain conditions, such as hormone-sensitive cancers, should consult their healthcare provider before incorporating large amounts of flax seeds into their diet due to the phytoestrogens they contain. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, ground flax seeds are undeniably one of the most powerful foods you can incorporate into your food plan to address various health issues and enhance your overall well-being. By understanding their profound benefits and integrating them consistently into your daily routine, you can unlock a treasure trove of health advantages that support a multitude of bodily functions. Ground flax seeds are a nutritional powerhouse packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, lignans, and protein. The omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, also known as ALA, play a crucial role in maintaining heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure. This makes flax seeds an essential food for anyone looking to protect their cardiovascular system and prevent heart-related issues. The high fiber content in ground flax seeds is another standout benefit. Fiber is essential for digestive health, promoting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and promoting a healthy gut microbiota. Soluble fiber, in particular, helps to lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive system and removing it from the body. This dual action of promoting digestive health and reducing cholesterol makes ground flax seeds an invaluable addition to your diet. Lignans, which are abundant in flax seeds, are powerful antioxidants with estrogen-like properties. These compounds have been shown to reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers, such as breast and prostate cancer. By consuming ground flax seeds, you are not only getting antioxidant protection but also potentially reducing your cancer risk. Ground flax seeds can address several common health issues. High cholesterol, one of the major risk factors for heart disease, can be effectively managed with the soluble fiber found in flax seeds. Digestive issues, including constipation and irregular bowel movements, can be alleviated thanks to the fiber's bulking effect. Chronic inflammation, linked to numerous diseases such as arthritis and heart disease, can be mitigated by the anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids and lignans. Hormonal imbalances, which can lead to conditions such as PMS and menopausal symptoms, can be balanced with the phytoestrogens found in lignans. Furthermore, flax seeds help in managing blood pressure and blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for individuals with hypertension and diabetes. The recommended intake is 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, which can be easily added to smoothies, yogurt, kefir, or salads. It's essential to consume ground flax seeds rather than whole ones, as the ground form is more easily digested and absorbed by the body. Starting with a smaller amount and gradually increasing it allows your digestive system to adjust to the higher fiber content. To maximize the benefits of ground flax seeds, ensure you drink plenty of water throughout the day. This helps the fiber work effectively in your digestive system. Combining flax seeds with other superfoods, such as chia seeds or berries, can further enhance their nutritional impact. Ground flax seeds also play a significant role in promoting gut health. The fiber content supports a healthy digestive system, while the mucilage gum, a gel-forming fiber, helps soothe and protect the lining of the digestive tract, as well as feeding your friendly gut bacteria. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with leaky gut syndrome, as it helps to maintain gut integrity and reduce inflammation. Not incorporating ground flax seeds into your diet means missing out on these substantial health benefits. Regular consumption of ground flax seeds can help you maintain optimal health and prevent many chronic conditions. Ground flax seeds are considered safe, but it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Consuming large amounts of flax seeds can cause digestive discomfort, such as bloating and gas, due to their high fiber content. Introducing flax seeds gradually into your diet and ensuring adequate water intake can help mitigate these effects. So, ground flax seeds are a versatile, nutrient-dense food that can significantly enhance your health and help address a wide range of health issues. By incorporating them into your daily diet, you can take proactive steps towards achieving better health and well-being. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, please be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.